Earlier, I mentioned that John, the filmmaker, after seeing the fish, he was visiting Seattle. After seeing the fish market, he got on a plane, rushed back to Minnesota, and pulled his crew off of an existing job and said, "We're flying to Seattle." Apparently, what he's seen there was something special. John's company, in fact, went to Seattle, made a film and a book about the Pike Place Fish Market. And of course, they called it Fish. Yes, a book and a film called Fish. And what he did was capture the whole philosophy of how they became world famous.
Wow, that's incredible. I mean, and I remember noting that he said this is a business philosophy. This
Mm.
is a business strategy. This is more than a business program. This is a life program. This is how people should be living their lives. We should all have a goal of being world famous in every aspect of our lives.